Hi, my name is Wouter. I'm the CEO of Layout. What's amazing to see is that because of the speed and simplicity of Layout, it brings together everyone around the table, ranging from brokers, designers, landlords, and tenants. All of them benefit from the increased speed and decision making to make sure that the processes go a lot quicker, void periods are reduced, budgets are more accurately than ever forecasted.
My name is Sander, and my role within Ditt Officemakers is I'm a business developer and I'm focusing mostly on the technology of AI within the company. Smart Moves is a program developed by Ditt Officemakers that allows us to assist our clients with the use of AI. We use it to make really quick and reliable layouts for relatively low pricing, which gives us better advantage ahead of the market competition.
Well, hello, I'm Carlo. I'm a senior designer at Ditt and a part of the team of a building consultancy. Apollo Line is a pretty unique project because we approached it floor by floor. Because in Apollo Land there are floors that can be rented for one single tenant, and then there are other floors that are rented by units, what they call units, which are smaller units within one floor. And in this case, Layout was helpful in both ways, because in one we can design and generate a full layout for the floor, but still in the other option we could create just little portions of the floor, make multiple scenarios, go fast, and then deliver just that part of the layout. So I found it really interesting to work with Layout in these two ways, because it allowed me to do both, not only the big tenants but also the smaller ones.
The role of Layout within Smart Moves offering is that we use it on every aspect within Smart Moves, which means that we are able to show different layout options to our clients, but not only the different options, but also the costs of creating those layouts for those tenants. And that's so fast that we are actually able to respond within a week to our tenants, and that's something unheard of in our industry.
Yeah, well, that's another difference between using Layout and using the old method is the amount of time that I spend designing or creating those layouts. Before, let's say for an office floor of 1,000 square meter, if I wanted to give a couple of options to the tenants, I would need a full morning without actually doing anything else. Instead, with Layout, I can have the building already in the system, and then I can run multiple scenarios, and in a matter of a half an hour, I can have a full presentation with multiple options, and then give a good advice to the tenant or to the client, the building owner. So that huge difference for my planning, it's really important.
A very recent success story of Smart Moves and using Layout is that we were visiting a very large office building here in the Netherlands with quite some vacancy, where on the spot we were actually able to show several types of layouts that could actually fit that floor, that also showed the amount of people, the interventions that you did with the installations, and the total cost that it would eventually cost to realize that one. That actually allowed the landlord to lease out that floor within a month, I believe.
It's amazing to see that the adoption of Layout now across the globe by design and build firms and architects alike has really kicked in. We have projects live in 36 countries as we speak, with people generating roughly 2 to 3 million square meters every single month, completely independently. With users like Ditt Officemakers and others alike, we really see that this is changing the way the test fits are done all across the globe.